Hello everyone, in this tutorial of HTML5 drag and drop, I will show you how to grab an element and drop it to another element. That is, I will be dragging this red block with ID, drag this, and dropping into the element drag here with the ID, drag here. So, by default, elements are not set to draggable. For this, or we cannot drag the elements. For this, we have an attribute that is draggable. We will be setting draggable to true. Now you can see I can drag this element, but I cannot drop it into drag here. So for this we need to define some functions. Here I am defining an event that will be called when the user starts dragging the element, that is on drag start. That is say drag event. Now defining the function drag event, setting the argument to e. Now first we start with e dot data transfer dot set data. First is the type. We can set it text or anything, and event to event dot target dot id. Event dot target id refers to the drag here id where we will be dropping the element. So we are done with this drag function. The next thing is allow drop event and on drop event. Usually we cannot drop elements into another element, so we need to prevent the default handling. So we are defining or creating a function that is function allow drop. As I said, to prevent the default handling, we will be doing setting e dot prevent default. Now the next thing is setting the event also on drag over. We are setting allowed drop event, and the next event will be on drop event when the user drop the element. Now creating a function drop event. Now first we are defining a variable named data, that is the ID of the dragged element. For this we need to e dot data transfer dot get data. Anything. Previously we set the data anything of the event target ID. Now we are getting e dot data transfer dot get data anything. The next part is to append that or to add that element into the another element. For this we will be using e dot append e dot target, that refers to the drag here, dot append child. Now we need to get the particular ID which was dragged. This document dot get element by ID, that is data. Here, here this whole thing is the ID which was dragged. So now we are done with this. Now let's check it. Here I'm dropping, and okay, there was a problem here. En event e dot. Now let's check it again. Now see, I was able to drop this element into drag here. We can also create a copies of it. Okay, now I'm creating the copies of it. Now let's check it. Different elements and dragging and dropping. So this was our today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.